remember our latest very orange Hoover Senior, the good old co-op special U4058. Well, our latest one is done. Very shiny, spotlessly clean, runs like new. Let's have a look at how it came out. Take a look at things like the motor and how clean that is. Yeah, have a look at how this machine performs and sounds now. Yes, hello, my vacuum cleaner and Hoover chums. How are you today? Yes, this machine, underneath all of the filth and the dirt, is very original indeed. Very original, very tidy. This flex is the original flex. It has the crimps on the vacuum cleaner end that Hoover did use. So yeah, original flex. Again, our lovely Woolworths. It's the Duraplug, isn't it? Rubber Duraplug, made in England. But yeah, for Woolworths, that can stay on there. And Dyson cable clip from a scrap Dyson, because I always like putting these on these machines because it just stops the plug from bashing against the flex. You know, hold it down well out of sight. So yeah, that is that. The handle is spotless. There was a lot of hand grease deep into the rubber of there, and otherwise the top cord hook is the original one. It's been painted at some point. I've been very careful with it because the top cord hooks on these machines are awful things. Let's move down a little bit to the bag. Yes, sadly that damage is still there. I've not really done anything with that at all except be very careful with it. It's quite nice that that inner bit is also orange, because yeah, it doesn't look the worst if you know, wave your hand in front of it a little bit. It's not too bad. Take the bag off of the machine. Our bag flange is very clean and tidy, and inside of this now spotless bag is a brand new SIBO inner bag with the Hoover bag ring around there. Yes, very nice. This era has a cable tie, not the horrible metal clamp that seizes and rusts on, so not too bad at all. And yeah, still a very nice bag. The Hoover logo is in mint condition. It's very nice and thick transfer on this bag. Yeah, so sort of soft, fleecy type bags, not the plasticky type. So yeah, all of this is in good order. Let's have a look at the business end. On to the business end, and yeah, we may as well keep the hood off. This is actually the other hood, the one without all of the big cracks in it. It got its fair share of scuffs, sadly. The other hood is up here, and it's been polished. I haven't actually buffed this wax off yet. It's been polished. It will still be good for somebody, even though yeah, it has seen some impact damage. You can see the back of it there. It just has been dropped on it, sadly, and of course the lens being a bit cracked. So yeah, that is the second best hood, and underneath the best hood is a very clean and tidy vacuum cleaner. This is pretty much how it was when I got it. That chocolate block was there as well, and I have simply reused it. It is very clean, very tidy, very spotless, and actually, since we're sat here like this with the hood off, you may as well just turn it on. Very nice indeed. The new bearing grease that I put everywhere is working its way in. So yeah, that side is very good. Underneath is equally completely spotless. This machine has no damage. All of the wheels now turn. The brush roll has been painted and has its original Hoover brush strips in there. So yeah, genuine Hoover brush strips, genuine Hoover carbons, the genuine Hoover flex. This machine has been repaired by the back centre in Leeds a couple of times, and thankfully they've used some nice genuine parts, which is good. Right, let's get this back together, I'll screw the hood on and we'll do some hoovering. The only issue that this machine has at all is that the spring that pulls the back wheels back up and down their tension isn't the correct one. It's actually two random springs that are just there. I mean, they do the job. The adjustment bar is perhaps a little bit bent as well, or was. It's now working better. And again, everybody just puts it on the setting that pushes this into the carpet the most and then leaves it there forever. Oh, that's perfect, that is. It pulls the rug up and then beats the heck out of it. I bet that bag's got a very decent layer of fine dust in it now. And we can add another U4058 to the dumper. I think this is the 5th I've had in my hands now. And you know, there's probably many more hundreds out there. And we can certainly have a spare used hood for another one as well. So yes, this one is done. It has a new owner lined up for it who's going to love it and cherish it and care for it very much. And who knows, we might see another one day. But do you have one of these plastic Hoover Seniors? If so, what do you think of them? Because there's a big division among collectors as to whether, you know, the metal versions were better than the plastic versions. I mean, they weigh pretty much about the same. These plastic ones are quite tough. They just sound a bit different because of obviously the metal versus the plastic construction. But I mean, they're the same motor, handles, brush roll, you know, everything pretty much. Handle bail, I think. Just the chassis and the hood differs mildly. And I guess the handle, because I can see now that this has got its little cover and this hasn't. So yeah, many differences. What side are you on? Metal or plastic? Do let me know down below. But until the next video, not this, but definitely this, because well, this is now next to come apart and be turned into hopefully what this is. I and some other Hoovers will see you soon. Bye bye.